Let me now showcase how an augmented analytics solution built on Tellius can help a business insights and analytics lead to analyze field for performance. I want to look at the overall performance of my product at a national level and identify the change drivers on a platform where I can type my questions in plain language, easily explore the data, and get actionable insights. To begin with the analysis, what I've done here is selected the relevant business view, which is field performance. It's a combination of analytics-ready data sets sourced from the warehouse. So let me start by looking at the overall performance of my product for last year. And there you go. Okay, so here I'm looking at the product performance trend in a best fit visualization. And as you can see, so Tellius was able to map performance to sales and my product to RevEx. And this is all possible because of the contextualization and learnings that I've configured underneath. So let me quickly enable the anomaly detector here. And it has detected that you can see that the performance has somewhat remained stable from January to August, and with a significant decline in September, followed by some recovery towards the end of the year. And if I just enable this summary at the top, let's say of a moderate length, I can see that the AI is also generating the similar observation, but in like a more natural language insight. Let me add this visualization to a WISPAD, which allows us to collate this analysis on a canvas. So I've just clicked on Add to WISPAD. I can select my WISPAD here, which tab it should go to, and there it is. Now, I want to investigate this dip in sales, right? So for maybe first, I would ask the next logical question, right? So I want to see which are the territories who contributed to this drastic dip from August to September for my product, right? And there you can see that Detroit was the major driver here, right? It was the key contributor. And again, I would be, let's say, adding this to the WISPAD quickly here for my analysis. Yeah. So now I'm also keen to look at the monthly calls, sales and calls for San Francisco. So now here I can see that calls were low during the month of September compared to the other months. And let me quickly add this to the WISPAD as well so that I don't lose my analysis here. And here I want to now trigger an insight to investigate the root cause behind this dip, right? So I want to find now who are the top HCP contributors. So I'm just going to click on this, configure my insight. I want to take a trend analysis here. Now, given the data point that I've selected, it auto picks the fields that you see at the top. I want to consider 100% of the data set. And then there are 3 modes that you can select from. Let me select the first mode so that I can have a 3-step drill down on the key contributors and move on to the next page. Now, yes, I can ask the tool that, hey, can you please focus the insight on these many fields, but I'm a bit lazy. I will just go ahead with what has been pre-selected by default and generate the insight. So here, it gives you a summary at the top that the total change was, let's say, 31% decline from August to September, and it summarizes who were the top change contributors and what were the reasons of the change. In the generated insight, it is observed that the HCPs who specialized in cardiovascular, gastroenterology, and general practitioners, they were majorly impacted. And the reason behind that was a total decrease, this overall decrease in total calls and calls attainment. So if I scroll down to deep dive a bit more into that, so I can see that cardiovascular HCPs had a 37% dip in sales. Now, to understand the reason behind that why this happened, let me just quickly click on the show why. And here it is showing me what was the relation with calls attainment. So here you can see that call attainment dropped by 27% and total calls also dropped by 29%. And I will add this as well to the Wizpad here for reference. Now, I do have a follow-up question, and let me go to the chart plot here and fire away. So, since I know that the San Francisco was the second contributor, right? And I've seen HCPs who had this major impact in sales in my insight due to lower call attainment. I know that as well now. So let me look at the call attainment for reps in San Francisco. Because that is where the dip is. And it has showed me the list, but maybe let's just focus on the bottom performers, right? So let me ask a follow-up. Hey, can you just show this for bottom 5? Not all. So here, now I have all my relevant insights, right? And I will also add this to my Wizpad here. I have all my relevant insights and I am able to quickly put this together on a canvas. So I was able to create this dynamic report within few minutes, right? And let's just generate an AI summary for this whole dashboard. I can even customize it, write it on my own, or I can use Telia Copilot to generate this summary for the screen itself, right? So I have the, let's do it moderate. We need some moderates, right? So here it's generating, the Copilot is generating the summary for the whole screen there. There you go. And I can see all my outliers here. I can even drill down on the fly or generate an insight if needed, right? So now I'm ready. I can quickly maybe share this with my colleagues and even co-create it with them. Now, before I close my analysis, I want to ensure that the system or the platform is tracking these key metrics, right? So before I log off, I'm just checking some of the feeds that I've set up to track my sales, the calls. So just to see if there are any quick insights for me. So here, for the TRX, I can see that for January, I can see a hike of 26%. That's great. So seems like something worth investigating, but maybe for the next time.